everyone, so today I'll be doing easy to wear makeup tutorial for my beginner girls. So let's start together. So first, I'll be using my Mary Kay foundation in bronze 500 on my face. So let's start. As you already know, the normal routine, you would prime up the face with your moisturizer first, then your foundation as well. And ensure the foundation you are using is your foundation shade, meaning your foundation color. So having done that, I'll be doing it with my LA Girl Pro concealer. Can you see? At the tear duct area, and yeah, don't need to pack much on the face. And here, and here, and here. Can you see? And just a touch here. And then I'll take my dark shade Mary Kay concealer in bronze 2 to just little, you see, and blend all together. Can you see the way I'm blending it in? You blend as well. Then for the dark shade concealer that I applied on the face, you take another powder puff and you dab it in. So, then we take our Sacha buttercup to highlight the face. Then I'll take my Jordana Warm Cocoa in shade 109 to apply on the face the darker concealer that I use, the areas of the darker concealer that I use. So if any dark shade powder that you have, you can use it to conceal certain parts. Can you see the areas that I used the darker concealer on? So I'm making use of this powder, compact powder, can you see, to set up the face. The areas of the highlighted part is still there, so I'm not dusting that off yet. I'm still leaving it to set up. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell notification so that when my video comes up you get notified. So let's continue. For those that doesn't know how to draw their eyebrows correctly, so this is for you. To get the perfect arc of your eyebrow, take your pencil, put it at the first on your nose like this, put a mark here, that's the first. To get the arc, you do like this, you put this, you sign it here as well, then you turn it again and you do this mark like this. So now let's draw and you will see. Can you see? We are not done. Take the second part as well, do like this, then to where your hack is, this is it, then you do like this again to get the last area, then you come like this. Okay, let me see. Now we'll be adjusting it properly. Take your mascara wand, brush all the hairs out, apply whatever you do for the first eyebrow, you do it to the second eyebrow too. Can you see? I'll be highlighting the under part with my Ellie Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee. Let me see. So for the upper part, you use your foundation or concealer shade. So it will blend properly. It's not looking different. Think it. Yes. So let's go. You see the hack. That is also achieve a perfect simple eyebrow shape. And you see now I take my compact powder and I set it up. Let me tell you another trick that I used to use. If you don't feel like applying an eyeshadow color on your face or whatever palette, just take your compact powder. After setting it up with the remaining concealer, lighter concealer that you used to highlight your eyebrows. After setting it up, just take your compact powder and mm, 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 voila, it serves as an eyeshadow as well. Can you see? Looking so sharp. So now I'll be doing fixing of the false lashes, but before then take your mascara to just brush out. Let's go. So I'm going with our mascara and we just use it to brush it out. So now we take our pencil to line our lips, line up the lips. Your lips, just take a little concealer and just take a bronzer, which is an artisan color 3520 plus. Just smile. You take a blush and just makeup is so interesting. For our under eye, I'll be using the shade in black. So I'm making use of this lipstick shade. Pardon me, the name has wiped out, so just a little that I'm using on my lips. Actually, I could have just leave it like this because it's actually fine like this without just the concealer alone is fine. But let's just use touch of this, just a little. As is now we apply our gloss on it, and I'll be using this my easy to use squeezing and shine. Please, I want you to get one for yourself. This lip gloss is so nice. Easy squeezing and shine lip gloss. So nice. So now we set the face up. So the last thing to do, I don't know if you've been coming across some video that you'll be seeing some beauty spots on their face. See, this is what it is. Just come like this. Just take it and wherever you want to apply it on your face. Just can you see? That's how you do it. That's how you do it. So guys, I hope you enjoy the video tutorial that I did today. This is just a simple, easy to go, ready to wear makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, turn on your bell notification so that when the video comes up, you get notified ASAP. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And let me know what video you want me to come up with next. It will be my pleasure to, entertain you guys with any makeup tutorial video. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate it. I remain your girl, to the Livia. See you some other time. Bye-bye.